I just started a new hobby, learning how to do embroidery. So I seen this company called Weary Theory DIY, and I wanted to take the course. So this course is all online at your own pace. One thing that I am a busy mom and I'm also homeschooling. So this course is very easy for me to stop and pick back up where I left off. And it's very easy 1, 2, 3 step on how the owner of this company, Weary Theory, broke down each section. So I watched a couple of videos over and over before I began to get the courage to even start the project. The kids are very interested. They was like, "Oh, what you doing?" I'm like, "I'm doing embroidery," so I had to show them. This took me some time to learn my way around the needle and thread, but again, this is my early stages, so I'm going to continue with these courses, and hopefully y'all will see one of my final products, something that I'm happy to show you guys what I did on one of the kids' clothes.